Good morning, travelers, to a new trip report. I'm currently on the Greek island of Kos. Corendon Airlines will bring me to Nuremberg in Germany today. This is the new airport of Kos, which is still under construction in some parts. Anyway, it looks way better than the old airport. My flight is the only flight leaving at this point, therefore the airport is almost empty. I'll drop off my bag at the check-in counter and then go straight to the gate area. The plane, which operates today's flight, is a 6-year-old Boeing 737-800. My seat for today's flight will be 23F. It is my first time flying Corendon and I'm really excited to try out this airline. At this point I was very confused because I thought Kos had built a new airport. Instead of a completely new airport, we were directed to the old airport after check-in. The security check is still in the old part of the airport. You can see the old airport in detail in some of my older trip reports. This is the gate area, which is still way too small in my opinion. Boarding started on time and I'm so excited to see the special livery of this Boeing 737.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board. Please pay attention to the following safety instructions regarding your flight. Seat belts are fastened. Adjust to your waist and unfasten as shown. For your safety, please keep your seatbelt fastened at all times. Our aircraft has 8 exits, 2 at the front, 4 over the wings, and 2 at the rear. In an event of evacuation or smoke in the cabin, lighting system shown by the crew will lead you to the nearest exit. Should there be a loss of pressure in the cabin, oxygen mask will be automatically released from the service units above your seat. In this case, pull the nearest mask, place it over your nose and mouth, adjust the headband and breathe normally. It's important you attend yourself first before helping your companion. Your life vest is under your seat. Do not remove it unless you are informed by the crew. We will show you how to use it. Slip the life vest over your head, attach the buckles together.
The seat pocket in front of me contains a menu card for food and drinks and a safety card. However, there is no complimentary service on this flight. The cabin is in a very good and modern condition. Every seat features a coat hook. The legroom on this Corendon Boeing 737 isn't that bad, but I've definitely seen that better on other airlines. The flight time today is about 2 hours and 30 minutes, and we will soon start our descent into Nuremberg.
Local time is 25 minutes past 9 in the morning. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to the stop. And Captain Pedro switch on the seatbelt sign for us. Please take care when opening the overhead lockers. My luggage can be moved during landing. Help of Corendon or Captain and also Andrea. Thanks very much for spending time today with us. It has been a pleasure. Hope to see you very soon on your next holidays. Dankeschön.
Welcome to Nuremberg. I had a really nice experience flying Corendon Airlines and especially liked the livery of this plane. As always, when you fly low-cost carriers, there is no service on the flight, but that's okay for such a short flight. I hope you enjoyed watching. Like and subscribe if you want to support my channel. See you next time in one of my next videos.